How to change voice style in Perplexity AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the laptop, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So we in this settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options, and here you can even customize it. So slowly scroll down. Here, there's a section called voice style. So simply tap on voice style. So basically here are some limited voices that are available. So it's up to you, and it's up to the user preference which voice or sound they like. Now simply tap on the one. Now you can even test it by simply going through AI voice and talking with it. So you can choose the one and you're all set to go. So the AI voice will be changed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.